Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Bright Arc extension cable double plug. It's a 2 meter plus a 2 meter cable. A double plug for a socket. This is a 2-in-1. A double plug for a socket's IP20, 250 voltage and 16 ampere, 4000 watt protective contact extension cable for home, for office and for the kitchen. This socket adapter comes in a two-way option because the extension cable double plug 2 meter is compatible with the European standard sockets and allows the connection of the device with a maximum power of 4000 watt and 250 voltage. For example, in Germany there is 230-240 voltage, 16 ampere. The socket can be extended by 2 meter of extensions cable on both sides. This is the special behind that cable system here. The adapter via 2 AC outputs. We can use 2 household appliances at the same time without any interferences. And multiple protection socket adapter. The power extension cable with the protective contacts has an overvoltage, an overcurrent, and anti-static and short circuit protection. And this socket child lock prevents accidental contact and provides more secure for family and devices. And it's safe and durable. The double plug for the socket is made of highly elastic PVC materials, and the inner layer of the 2 meter extension cable is made of high quality copper core, which has good electric conductivity and reduces the energy consumption when using electrical appliances. In addition, the extension cables is more wear resistant and fireproof too. And we have an extra long extension cable here. Because the power extension cable of 2 meter 2 times in wide is perfect for electrical appliances in the household whose cables are not long enough, such as the vacuum cleaners, computers, etc. And also avoid the embarrassment that the sockets cannot be used at the same time. The socket adapter 2-way is suited for a variety of application scenarios. This is suited for the kitchen, for the bathroom, for the office, and where you need energy. 2 meter power extension cable double plug for socket by Bright Arc. This brings more convenience and comfort to our life and work. 4000 watt peak, AC 100 up to 250 voltage compatible, 60 ampere, and European plug. High quality copper core, and we have an insulation materials around all, 2 times insulation with a PVC jacket and child protection. That's good for the living area, for the living room, for the kitchen, for the office, for the outdoor area if it is not rainy or something else. And then it's good to use 2 devices in the area of 2 square meters. No problem for it. And you can go to the 2 meters on the right, 2 meters on the left. That's no problem. So you can extend this 2 meters square. You can extend this to 4 meter in square. Easy peasy by using the Bright Arc extension cable. It's a double plug cable. Double baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sansan!